Hi everyone, today's video is about creating columns in our Word file. On our daily life, columns are seen actually in the newspaper, flyers, and maybe brochures. So in order to give the similar kind of formatting to our text, please follow the steps I'm showing you. The first step would be select all the text and select the layout tab. From the layout tab, we can see there is a columns command. Select that and drop down menu will pop out. From here you can select the number of columns you want to create, and in our example we are going to select 2. And we can see that the text is divided into 2 columns already. We can further format these columns by going into columns command and select more columns. You can change the number of columns from the presets here, change the size or spacing of the columns. I'm not going to touch those in our current video, but one command I like to show you was putting the line between the 2 columns. So I'm gonna check box that and select OK, and we can see that the column is divided into 2 with a line in between. And furthermore, we can see that there is one problem. Some of the text is broken down into columns, and we don't want that. So in order to keep the text together, we might need to actually enter here and then take the text to the new column or the next one, but I don't want to do that. So the simple way would be go into the layout tab again and select the breaks command. From there you can see column, select that, and the text is pushed into the next column. So that's how you actually do formatting for columns. Here in this example, I want to actually bring all our text back to one column. In order to do that, I'm gonna select all the text again and press or click the columns command. Click 1 and you are back to one column format. The only problem is that some of our text is not visible. It's not lost, but it's not visible. So in order to get that back, we have to remove our column break command. Just to show you how you do that, select the home tab and then select show hide command, and you will be able to see where that column break was inserted. Bring your insertion point at the beginning of the column break, and from your keyboard press the delete button, and you will be able to get all your text back. I hope you liked today's video. So if you did, please like and subscribe our channel, and we'll see you in the next video.